And we have lies being peddled by folks who says that an Eze Aro cannot be made when his father is alive. That is not true. You cannot ask a man who is duly qualified to be the king to abdicate and then turn around and say he has to be dead in order for his son to be nominated. That's never done. And we know in both Aro history and in modern history, including the scriptures, that men have made kings of their sons while they are still alive. King David was alive when he nominated and made Solomon king, and there are many such examples. Let's not bore you with that. So there is no law, there is no rule that says that a man cannot be king while his father is alive. There is no such custom. I've explained to you what our custom is, and that should settle the matter. I've also had people say that a Christian cannot be an Eze Aro. That is also another lie. There is nothing like that. Our last Eze that passed on was a Christian. So I do not understand where that advocacy is coming from. Ndị anyị m na wee kwu na ndị na-agba akwụkwọ si na onye na ya nọ ndụ agaghị awụ Eze Aro na ọ dịghị eziokwu nọ na ya. Ịmasị dị mkpa ihe ruwere na ya hapụ ka ụmụrịma gachịa tụgharịa si ya na ọma nwa ntamomo ya achịa anaghị eme. Ọ mgbe ndị nna anyị dị ndụ ka wometi anyị n'oche kwado anyị agha ihe na-adị Aro ndị akọ na uche ndị na-eme ihe ịma na nwaanyị achịala Aro ma ọ bụghị agụ omenala Aro dị nwaanyị ọma chịpụ na ndị mba ndị ọdọ na ala Igbo nwaanyị a na-achị. So Aro dị icho. Aro sị gị na onye awụ ezewo onye awụ ezewo oke nnachi sị gị na onye awụ ezewo onye awụ ezewo ọ dịghị ihe ọda a na-eme gbasara ya.